Hey, Arturo, I'm here. So let's cover how to add a team member to a channel. So this is extremely difficult. This is mind-blowing. Like, this is out of this scope. But we're gonna be caught. No, I'm kidding. This is super simple. So let's go to my screen really quick and see how you can do it. So this is kind of tricky. I'm not gonna lie. So for example, let's say that you have two teams. Let's say that you have two channels. So this is the team. The whole thing here is a team. Software engineers are a team. And then inside that you have three channels. You have general, gold team, and OG team. So if you want to add a member, a person to the gold team channel, the way that you would do it is not by clicking here directly and add member. If you do that, look what happens. For example, I'm gonna add my friend Ramses, and it's gonna say that you can't find anything. The reason is because this person is currently not part of your team. So if you want to add this person, you first need to make it part of your team, and after he or she is part of your team, then you can you can add them to a channel. So let's see how to do that. So what you want to do is click on general here, and then these three dots on the root of the team will appear. So click that, and then you're gonna click on add member. Now look what happens. Ramses, there you go, the persons appear. So any person is gonna appear here. Now, again, I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna click on add member. Look, Ramses, do you see the difference? We're adding a person to the team first and then to the channel. So let's add that person to the team. Okay. There you go. So he's now a part of the team, and the privilege is a member. So he's not an owner, he's a member. Close. You can of course change that to your desire. Now that he's part of the team, then you can add it to the channel. So you can add a member here to the gold team. I'm just gonna say Ramses. Now it appears. Add. Then you can close it. Of course, he's going to be a member, he's going to be an owner, and that's it. Now, this person is part of the gold team, but he's not part of the OG team. Why? Because we have set these as private. So since it is private, only this person will have access to the channel that we have added him. Now, you may be wondering, after you add all the team members, how can you control who is in that channel, who is in that team? Of course, you are able to see all the members of that channel, and then you can organize them. You can delete them, you can move them, whatever you want. So the way that you would do that is, for example, here to go to the main list of all the team members, not the channels, the team members. You're going to go to general, and then click here on the three dots, and then you're going to click on manage team, and there you're going to see all the team members. So for example, we have, oh, there you go. So I put Hiro instead of Hiron. Anyway, so there you go, you have the two members. Now if you wanted to delete one, you would go here to the X, and there you go. That's simple as that. It doesn't get any simpler. I just deleted a person from the team, not from the channel. If you go to the channel here, he's not gonna appear anymore. Now here you have the owners. You can set more than one. More than one owner can be in that, can be the manager of the team and the channel as well. You can set, for example, 2 owners for one channel, 3 owners for another channel, and it could be different persons. And then if you want to send a request to someone and see whether or not they have requested access to it, you can click here on pending request, and you'll be able to see all the people that have requested access to it. That's it. It's pretty simple, right? So if you'd like to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next one.